Hi, I'm here to show you just how easy it is to add trust badges, or as you may call it, social proof, to your customers on your Shopify store. Introducing the amazing Smart Checkout Widgets app on Shopify. Make sure you have the Smart Checkout Widgets app installed on your Shopify store. The app is fully functional and free of cost on development stores. Its interface is super intuitive and easy to use. Let's go ahead and create a new widget. Let's give it a title. Then select Trust Badges as the type. Once you do that, it gives you options to select how many columns you want, adjust the text size, and set the image percentage width. You can increase or decrease these settings as needed. You can also choose the layout, deciding whether you want the badge orientation to be horizontal or vertical, left aligned, or centered. There are quite a lot of options. You can also add a title and description. After all the settings have been customized and a bunch of badges have been added, this is the ID of the widget. We just copy it and go to the checkout. Now, if you want to place a badge under the order summary, click on Add a Block and insert the widget ID. You will see the badges show up, and you can drag them to any location you prefer. Your Trust Badges or Social Proof widget is now set up. You can add more such widgets if you want. And that's it! See how easy it is to set up. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more information on great checkout features for your Shopify store, please do check out the Smart Checkout Widgets app for Shopify.